Welcome to CATECH Tutorials. In this class we are going to draw a piston header. Okay, so let's start this plane. I'm choosing profile because you know why I'm choosing profile, because it is very convenient. This is a close look. Okay, so here I want to give a dimension, so its width is 22 inches 11 mm. Okay, and here its height is 8 mm, and this height from here to here, its height is 23. Okay, and here to here its height is 27, right, and its diameter is 13 diameter. So when you divide to, this is the overall part of the piston dimensions, and here its radius is 6.38. Okay, right, and here one more dimension is required. This height, it is 14 mm. Okay, now we got the exact shape of this curve. So here let's say 18, 8, 14, and 23, 27, here 13, here below it is 22 diameter. So we give 11 mm radius, right? This is the overall dimensions. So now here I'm exiting the workbench. Here I'm choosing revolve option, shaft option, selecting this curve, review. Okay, this is the part I require actually. And here one more thing required, holes is there here and grooves are there. So now let's give slots and grooves. Okay, here I'm selecting two rectangle sketches with dimension. Let's give dimension 1 mm. Radius also 1 mm. Okay, and between these two lines it is also 1 mm distance. Okay, this is a part required, and its height from here to this axis, it is 19 mm. Okay, 19 mm, right, and we have to move these lines here from this line to this axis. Its value is 19.5 divided by 2. Okay, so this is enough. Let's exit the workbench and choose the option group and select the axis, this. Right, this is a group command, and this is the operation we require. Yes, done here. Now let's see. Let's select the circle, and its diameter is 19.5 with depth 6 mm. Okay, review. Yes, this is a part, and here I'm setting this plane inside this piston plane. Okay, here I'm selecting elongated hole where it is. Yes, this is elongated hole. So the circle, its radius is 5 mm. Okay, its radius is 5 mm. and let's select this length. And then now make this axis as symmetry with this horizontal axis. Oh, no, it's not selecting. Symmetry line, right. Let's see, it is not 10, it is 7 mm. Okay, right. So this is the part we require, and exit the workbench, make a hole with depth. Here its depth is 13 mm. Review. Okay, right. So now select this plane. Okay, here I required a hole with diameter 6. Right, now I want to constrain this circle with this axis coincidence, and require height also. Okay, let's select this circle point and this line. Here give the value 6.38 divided by 2. Give the dimension from the center point of the circle to this base point. Here it is 3.19 plus 8 mm. Okay, right. So exit the workbench, give it option pocket with mirror extent. There you go. Okay, right. This is a piston header. Okay, this is a piston head. Thank you guys for watching for my videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and share the videos. Thanks for watching CATTECH tutorials. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video.